Hello everyone, let's have a look how to log in and shop as a customer. Go to the Settings tab inside WooCommerce tab. Here you can click on a Shop as a Customer tab. You can see all existing customers listed in Switch to Customers tab. We have two options to switch as a customer. Let's have a look. First option. Go to the Switch as Customer tab. Let's switch as a add-ons. As you can see, admin is login as a add-ons. No, you can shop as a login customer from the store. After shopping, click on Switch back to Admin panel. Let's have a look to the second option. Go to the top right corner. Here you can see Switch as a Customer option. Click on it. Here you can search customer by name, email, number, etc. Let's switch as a add-ons. Now you log in as a customer, shop as a customer, and switch back to the admin panel. Thank you for watching. If you have any further queries, feel free to contact our support team.